Well, this is upstairs. This is the loft. This is looking north, looking east, looking south, if anyone cares to know. Tomato and pepper plants that aren't much of anything on them. The crow's nest, as we call it. First try to see how stable this thing is with a person with a shaky hand. Hope I don't get dizzy. Hope the thing doesn't turn off on me. Lemon bush with lemons on it. A dead pepper plant, I think. The garage. Not very bright in here, but it is something. The living room as it was once upon a time, except for the big French doors in the front. Pretty much the same. Temperature at the moment, if you can read that. Kitchen. The smell of lasagna cooking in the oven. I'm testing the stability and what it looks like afterwards.
It should be pretty stable.
Huh?
I said it should be pretty stable.
Better than the first two tries. I didn't know what it was, and I got two versions of time lapse. Well, you know what? The time lapse actually was quite smooth.
Look, get a picture of Kitty.
What?
Go upstairs and get a picture of Kitty. He's on the sleeping on a chair under the table.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see him there. And I went that way. And it's still recording. Oh, must get the cat.
You don't need lights. It goes well in the dark.
Well, I don't know how good this thing will be in the dark.
There he is.
Ooh. Where are you?
Oh, he left. Did he go out? Huh.
Maybe he saw me and I
I didn't see him go out.
Well, that was something.
There's your alarm going off.
That way. Did I turn that on or off? It is off. Ooh, something's going. Oh, I know what it is. This would be near the end of my ride if I had taken a ride. Oh, all of 8 minutes and so many seconds. Time to see what I get.